The external lights ensure that the aircraft is visible at all times, while antennas perform weather scans and enable radio communication. Navigation lights consist of green lights on the right wingtip, red lights on the left, and white lights at the tail. These lights are installed in pairs in case a bulb burns out. In addition, flashing red beacon lights and white strobe lights help aircraft avoid collisions. Flood lamps illuminate the aircraft's logo, and side lamps allow for wing inspections while the aircraft is on the ground. Lights on the left and right wing-to-body fairings and on the nose landing gear illuminate the runway during takeoff and landing, and taxi lights light the area around the aircraft while it is on the ground. Antennas serve a variety of functions. The weather radar antenna performs multiple radar scans at different tilt angles. Other antennas line the fuselage for functions such as radio communication to ground stations, collision avoidance, air traffic surveillance, GPS, internet access via a Ku band antenna, to name a few.